Hi, my name is Chef William from Brevard County 4-H. Today I will be making English muffin pizzas that are easy to make, nutritious, and delicious. The ingredients that you will need are English muffins, pizza sauce, and mozzarella cheese. You can add whatever toppings you want, but today I will be using pepperonis, basil leaves, and oregano. So the first thing we want to do is wash our hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds. I've already done that. Or you can just make sure you've washed them long enough. Just sing happy birthday 2 times. So I'm going to start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, next while that's preheating, I'm going to start making my pizza. So I want to start by cutting my English muffin in half with the knife, just going back and forth down the middle. Okay, now that we've got 2 halves of the English muffin, that means 2 pizzas. So now we gotta start putting sauce on it. Want to make it completely covered with the red pizza sauce. We can also use the bottom of the spoon to spread it out, so that way we can get it nice and even. Okay, now that we're done with the sauce, it's time to add the mozzarella cheese. So I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese on here. Spread it out with my fingers. Okay, once that's done, then we can start adding our toppings. I'm going to start with my pepperonis first, so that way I don't squish my herbs. Not going to put a lot, just a couple. Okay, now I'm going to add my herbs, and you don't even need to use your knife to cut them up. You can just tear them with your fingers. Okay, now I'm going to add my basil. Okay, so now my pizzas are all ready to go in the oven, and the oven is almost preheated to 400 degrees. Okay, so now that the oven is preheated and my pizzas are all ready to be cooked, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven. Okay, now that they're in there, they have to stay in there for about 10 minutes. And after that, we'll check on them and make sure they're done. Okay, according to my plate, a healthy meal should have at least 3 of these food categories: dairy, grains, protein, fruits, and vegetables. English muffin pizzas fall into 4 of these categories: the vegetables, which is the pizza sauce, and the herbs. The grains is the English muffin, and the protein is the pepperoni, and then the dairy is the cheese. Okay, so now our pizzas are ready, I'm going to go get them out of the oven and turn the oven off. Okay, so now that our pizzas are done, it's time to plate them up and enjoy them. Hope you enjoyed learning how to make English muffin pizzas, and comment below pictures of your English muffin pizzas or different ideas of things you want us to make. Thanks for watching. See you next time.